Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need brake repair, to order new parts, windshield repair. When you come to CarPros Kia for service or maintenance, we strive to get your repairs done right the first time. From oil changes to transmission replacements, our factory-trained technicians are dedicated to maintaining top-tier customer service for all of our customers. Visit us at www.carproskiacarson.com. While you're there, find out more about our no-haggle pricing. Learn about our price match guarantee. Print out money-saving service coupons. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. CarPros Kia is located at 21243 South Avalon Boulevard in Carson, California.